Final video to fix Yuzu Android black screen when launching games. And I say that because this issue stops gameplay right at the start. Are you opening a game in Yuzu on Android and only seeing a black screen with no sound or loading? This problem happens when the app uses wrong graphic settings, broken shader cache, unsupported drivers, or an outdated build that cannot talk well with your phone GPU. Many phones also face this issue after updates, and Yuzu fails to read files the right way. I know you search YouTube or social media already, and most videos show long steps, risky files, or confusing words that make the fix feel hard. That wastes time and kills the mood. On Rexist, I keep things simple, and today I share a secret easy trick that fixes the black screen without stress. This trick works because it resets the core problem instead of touching random settings. You do not need root extra apps or tech skills. You just apply one clean method that matches how Yuzu works on Android. After this, games load properly, shaders build again, and the screen shows video instead of black. Many viewers on Rexist already solved this issue with this method, and they now play smoothly. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial with clear actions and safe settings, write yes in the comments, and I will post it fast to help you fix Yuzu once and for all.